Clinical examination of the respiratory system. Let's look at wheeze. Wheeze is noisy breathing. It's a sound which is usually heard when one blows over a narrow tube. The sound heard with the naked ears is called wheeze, and the same sound heard with a stethoscope is called rhonchi. So wheeze is a cardinal symptom of airway obstruction, and many of the important features of wheeze are similar to those described for breathlessness. So wheeze that is variable either spontaneously or followed by precipitating factors such as exercise, allergens, occupation, drugs like aspirin, beta blockers, which wakes up the person at night, is likely to be due to asthma. The causes of persistent wheeze include asthma, chronic bronchitis, emphysema, and major airway obstruction like tumors.